Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, this is a compilation of some of my courses that I teach on Skillshare. You'll notice that I have a variety of courses from sketching with pens, realistic drawings, digital painting, and even how to create thumbnails. So what I'm going to leave you here are some introduction videos and even some summary videos of some of those courses. But before we get started, consider hitting that like button, ringing that bell, becoming a member, and leaving a comment. So let's get to it.
Hello everyone, welcome to my Skillshare class number 4. I'm super excited to teach this course in digital painting, and with the combination of starting with my traditional drawing, which I did in my 3rd Skillshare class where I drew Frida Kahlo. I drew Frida Kahlo in a front-facing view using pencils, and I did it in a realistic way. And now that course is going to lead into my brand new one where we're going to do some digital painting using Procreate. And all you're going to need is your iPad and your Apple Pencil.
We only need few materials to get things started.
So before we get started, my name is Ivan Florentino Ramirez. I graduated from California State University, Fullerton, and I have experience in acrylic painting, oil painting, digital art, portrait drawing, and watercolor painting as well. However, with my courses, I love injecting fandom, meaning we're going to learn through the world of pop culture. And with this class, we're going to be coloring Frida Kahlo, the iconic Mexican painter. We will learn digital painting through the layers of Procreate, how to choose skin textures, skin tones, everything from shadows and contrast, painting the hair, her bow, her iconic unibrow, but we're going to make it as simple as possible. And I believe if we learn through fandom and things that we love, things that we know, and not do everything by the books, keeping things from being boring, we will have a lot more fun and learn even more while we're doing it. So get that iPad ready, your Apple Pencil, your reference photo, and let's get into some digital painting. I think as artists, it's a great idea to always create what you love and have fun doing it. Allowing yourself to create something from your childhood, like a favorite celebrity, a singer, a superhero, or even a fictional film character, gives us a chance to steer away from the by-the-books approach that can sometimes be very strict and uninspired. So if you're a new artist looking for fun ways to approach drawing realism through the fundamentals of freehand drawing by the way of pop culture, I can teach you these techniques in this course. Mastering the fundamentals of freehand drawing with graphite pencil is one way to do so. And which iconic fictional hero to draw than Yoda, one of the most recognizable film characters of all time. And come on, who doesn't like our wrinkly friend, Master Yoda?
Surrounds us, combines us. Luminous beings so we, not this crude matter. You must feel the force around you.
I created an easy step-by-step guide on how to draw faces using 3 small exercises and the required materials to create them. And one of the most important to have is a reference photo where I make it available and easy to download, a value scale template which will help us create our soft blended realistic look, and at the end of this lesson you can even upload your project in the project section of this course. I'll be guiding you through the necessary steps in order to create our subject using our observational skills, And by mastering the fundamentals of freehand drawing, I want to challenge you to break away from that fear that creating realistic art is for professionals only and turn that intimidation into a fun learning experience that will carry on into your art journey. I hope you feel inspired to join me in this course and get all of that boring stuff out of the way and just jump right into it with your favorite pop culture icon. Let's go.
And don't forget that I do have a 1-month free Skillshare membership in the description below, so go ahead and check it out. And this is another class in the series that I started with my sketchbook, and we are drawing Chewbacca. Before we get started, my name is Ivan Florentino Ramirez. I graduated from California State University, Fullerton. I have experience with life drawing, life painting, gesture drawing, graphic design, simple animation, also digital drawing and painting. And with these shorter courses, I'm going to teach you how to use ballpoint pen. Now this tiny sketchbook, this is a pocket sketchbook. This one is a tiny size. This one is only 3.5 by 5 inches, and this is a perfect size because not only are we able to dedicate ourselves to a tiny surface, we don't have to draw something large, and it's going to be a quick one, especially for a fast course like this. And just like my previous class before where I drew a spider monkey and it was also under 15 minutes, this one is going to go all in on how to draw hair in a way where I quickly will break down hair shapes, patterns, and how to apply strands of hair while using pop culture as our subject matter. And even better, this course is aimed for beginners, but anyone from intermediate to advanced artists can participate in this class. And all you're going to need for this is a few materials. And the best part of it all is that we only need literally 3 materials. We need our sketchbook, number 2 pencil for our underdrawing, and several black cheap ballpoint pens. You can also use the dark blue ones as well. And I will be providing a high resolution photo of our subject so that you can follow along. So do you have your materials ready? Let's begin.